Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 10-inch bread knife. Now this came packaged really nicely, and it has everything you need to cut your bread. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. It's got a nice serrated edge on here. Now pull this off from the back. You've got your little safety thing there, but look at that Damascus pattern. That is really pretty. It's about a 0.08 inch thickness, and the handle actually has a nice little cover on it as well. I'm gonna get that pulled off here as well, and then we will give this thing a try. All right, so I got this out, and you can actually see it's about 5-inch handle that's got just a little bit of curve to it, so it fits in your hand just perfectly. I mean, this is a beautiful blade. I love how nice this is. And you even get a little sleeve, so whenever you're storing it, you can easily put this down into the sleeve, and then you don't have to worry about it cutting anybody as it's being stored. But just to show you how sharp this is, I've got some bread here, and I mean, cuts right through this bread. That is really nice. I mean, there's no jaded edges or anything, and this is some nice thick, like cold bread, so that's really nice that it just cut right through it. But you can use this for even more than just bread. You can do, pizzas or pastries or whatever you're wanting to use. But this is a really nice bread knife. Like I said, you got a 10-inch blade on here, beautiful Damascus that you can use in any kitchen.